It's Arlen here with Lode King. I'd like to take you on a walk around of the newest offering in our Distinction Series trailers. The model we're going to be looking at today is called the RG Series for the reverse gate. Many of you have asked. We've designed a model that accommodates those needs or requests that we've had in the past. The design of the trailer is still a 28.5-foot lead with a 30.5-foot pup. The changes happen within the trailer to allow the different configuration of our hoppers. The only wall height offering that we offer is an 84-inch sidewall. A reason for that is to allow for the cubic capacity required for this trailer. When we designed this trailer, we wanted to make sure that all of our slope angles maintained that 30-degree angle for the good clean out. We had to raise the hopper. We have a new hopper clearance of 26 inches. A great clearance for those big hoppers that may want to roll under this trailer as well. So an 84-inch sidewall. We do have the graphite metallic that we're looking at today. We still offer the white and the black standard in an 063 skin. Interior sheets are 050. The slope angle is an 080 thickness for the slope angles as well. Again, a two-piece rail, the same as all the other series trailers that we have. In the no-load area, 8-inch spacing, the same as all of our other trailers. In the loaded area, there is the 12-inch spacing between the Z posts that we have currently been using. We have the stainless corner post, standard feature in all of the trailers that we offer today. This trailer has been offered with a stainless steel front and back, and even between the two trailers, you'll see the stainless steel skin. That is an option. 3 light options, the same as all of our other trailers. The standard light option, we have the option A and option B package available. While we're at the front, we have 2 different pin settings available for the lead trailer. This trailer has been equipped with a full closeouts on all open ends of the trailer. We'll just move back and talk about some of the features as we get back towards the hoppers that you guys all want to see. Yoast landing gear is a standard for this trailer. It's an aluminum landing leg with a galvanized insert, 5-year maintenance free, 10-year warranty on this leg as well. And something that we've added, and it'll be on all Distinction Series trailers, we always struggled, where do we leave the tarp crank? We now have them mounted on the stiffener bands of the hoppers themselves. You can, they're easy access should the motor fail or you have a malfunction or do not have a truck with a power source to open the tarp. Easy access to get those open. Let's have a look now at the new feature of this trailer, the reverse gate. It looks like one big hopper. There's a divider wall that runs down and you'll see the seam right here. The main difference, obviously the gate's open, the front gate will open to the front, the back gate opens to the back of the trailer. The main difference is the gate size itself. No longer a 16 by 24 gate. It has a 24 by 27 inch gate, and we had to do that to get the cubic capacity in this hopper. We wanted to give you the most load balanced trailer possible, and that was something that was required to make that work. The 24 by 27 chute gate, that is a stainless steel constructed gate, also has the rack and pinion design that we have on all the other Distinction Series. A great easy opening gate for years of trouble-free service. As we move back in the trailer, there's another new option that we've added to all the trailers that have tire inflation system, and this was a request from our customers in the field. They still wanted to see an easy access as to what their tire pressure was set at. From the factory, they roll out of here with a 90 PSI preset, and we'll start dumping air when the tire gets in excess of 100 PSI. Now you have a quick reference to make sure that those tires are actually inflated at 90 PSI. It's a gauge that's mounted outside of the air gauge box. One quick view and you can tell what your tire pressure is on all the different tires. This unit has the air chuck as well. That is an option that you can order. To protect this beautiful trailer, we've added as many belts as we could to protect the undercarriage of this trailer. At the front of the trailer, we have a 4-row flap that's mounted ahead of the landing gear. We also mount another row of flaps to keep all that debris from blowing into your suspension frame. Also, the new feature for this year, and it's been incorporated in this trailer, is the flap at the bottom of the lead axle and the second axle. So you have flaps behind every axle of this trailer. The stainless steel mounting plate, no more pipe anymore. Moving back, the same entry step. We haven't done anything different on this trailer with the configuration, so you still have the ease of access. We also put some grip tape on this fender should you have to step on here. There's ladders at the back and front of every trailer. The redesign that we made a few years ago is standard on this trailer as well. You'll see where the power tarp is mounted. The controls are mounted at the front of each trailer. You do have that option, as well as a wireless remote that comes with every trailer equipped with a power tarp. We've got this nice closeout that's angled. While we're in this suspension area, we'll talk about the Hendrickson Intrax AANT 23K suspension. You can choose to equip that with TireMax Pro like this unit is. You have the option of having an end spindle or a parallel spindle with different wheel end options, with having either oil-filled or semi-fluid grease in those packages as well. While we're here, we'll show the fifth wheel. We have two fifth wheel options. This particular unit has been equipped with a compensator, the Holland compensator package. It gives you the oscillation of the pull trailer. You do have the fixed Holland fifth wheel that we have. To give clearance for the fenders, you'll notice at the front of every trailer, there's a 2-inch drop that gives you more clearance over your fenders. Especially with the compensator, we need to give you a little more room for the oscillation so you don't contact your fenders as well. The power tarp that you see in this trailer is an option. It is available on all of the trailers. It's becoming a very popular option. It just allows for ease of opening, especially if you're opening and closing your trailer a lot during the day. We mentioned where the cranks were handled, should you need to go manual. To make the reverse gate work in this trailer, we had to move the hoppers more into the center. We changed some of the slope angles. We moved where the divider wall sits. All that was done so that we can still give you a good load balance trailer to work with as well. When these gates opened to the outside, the distance from the front and back of this hopper is 67.5 inches. So it's very close together. It allows you a quick unload on this side, quick unload on this side, and if your pit is long enough, you can virtually unload both of these hoppers one time without having to move your trailer forward or back. As we move back, the one concession we had to make to still give us the ability to have the flap there, you'll see that we've made a small accommodation. When you'll see the gate will slide into that little rectangle area. All these gates still open beyond the hole opening for good clean out, and you are able to take them out. We're at the back of the trailer, the stainless back wall, a great little shiny feature. We've added the 4-inch wide lights on the top rail for more visibility. The corner signal, the center 3 lights are also a high-mounted brake light, just to give you more visibility. While we're looking at the back of the trailer, I did not mention this earlier, we do have venting in the top hoods at the front and back of every trailer. That is an option as well. Basically a standard, most people will take that option. It just allows you to unload and have some air coming back into your hopper. I do recommend opening the tarps. If you're going to be opening both of those big traps at the same time, there's going to be a lot of air displaced. Recommendation, when opening over a pit, crack that tarp and save those hoops from bending down. I'd like to thank you for joining us today on the walk around of our latest Distinction Series offering, the RG Series. If you need more information, please visit our website or contact your local dealer. Thank you.